Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to install Elementor in WordPress. So let's see how we can do it. So at first we need to log into our WordPress website dashboard. Now to add Elementor to our website, we are going to click on plugins and then click on add plugin. Now here in the search bar, we will search for Elementor. Now to install our Elementor plugin, we are going to click on install now. Click on activate. And as you can see that we have successfully installed Elementor on our WordPress website. Now we are going to select skip from here. Now click on skip again. Click on skip and again click on skip from here. Now from the top we are going to click on this X button. And now we are in the WordPress website dashboard. And on the left side you will see Elementor menu. Now to create a new page with the help of Elementor, just click on pages and then click on add page. Close it from here. Now to create this page with the help of Elementor, just click on edit with Elementor from the top. And now we are in the Elementor canvas. And now we can easily create our new pages with the help of Elementor. Like we can create a new container. We can add headings, images or anything to our website. So this is how you can install Elementor on your WordPress website. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.